Hello, artists. We're going to be working on Let's Make a Store Part 1. This drawing is going to be of the sign for our store. Now, thinking about our store, we want to think about a good or a service. Do we provide something, a thing that we can do for people, or do we make something or sell something for people? Uh, Goods are things that we can sell, items that people need that we can make or like a grocery store or a specialty shop. But a service is something that we can do. And just like the teacher example that I drew out, the Fiore's Barbershop, I'm going to be making that here. So drawing my sign for my service. Now, drawing it out on paper with pencil and crayon or marker or colored pencil, markers to trace it, you're focusing on the lettering, making sure that you have these three key things. One, your name, first name, last name, one of those will work. Two, the type of store you have. And three, an image that is related to the store. Now, in my teacher example that I drew, it is a barber pole, which is what I'm going to be using here. But as a barber shop, I could also have scissors, comb, stuff like that. For this, we're not going to go too, crazy with it. We'll just first off find a nice shape that we can use. Go ahead and stretch it out nice and large on our screen so we can work inside of something. I like to place it as best as I can in the middle using these snap guides. There we go. And let's change up the color and border a little bit. How about we do a black border that's a little larger with a white inside so we can fit some text in there. Next, let's go ahead and do some text box work. I'm going to make sure that this text box... Oh. There we go. Let's write my name out first. Fiore's. How about we make this a lot larger? What does 72 look like? We can go bigger. Find a nice fancy font for Fiore. Nah. Ooh, I like that one. Make it nice and large, fit the entire screen. One more. Oh, nope. Okay. Let's stretch this side then. Have it fit there. Stretch this side. Have it there. Put it in the middle. Oh no! Nah, let's not have it fit in the middle. Let's just make it a little bit larger. There we go. That's looking good. Fiore's. How about we change the font color? Now again, seeing as how this is a graphic design project, we're focusing on combining imagery and text. So the text, we got to do our best to add to it. Let's do not a light blue. How about a darker blue? That one looks good. Very nice. All right, and then underneath it, let's do another text box. Oh, I've got a border on that one. Whoops. Okay, so I don't want that border. That looks weird. Let's go back to this. Oh, nope. Delete that. Delete that. Go back to this. Border color. Transparent, so there's nothing there. There we go. Now it's just the Fiore's. New text box. Have it fit similar to that one. Now we need our name. We need the type of store we're doing. And so barber shop. And we need an image that is about the shop. So let's find a good impact. I like that. Let's do impact there. Get them larger. Going to 72. Get a bit larger. Let's see what we can do with this. Maybe pull it up just a little bit. But really, it's just going to be figuring out where you want to put the text, what the text is going to look like, how we can fix fit the text, make it look real nice. How about we do right underneath? I actually want to make it red for the barber pole kind of deal. Let's make it a little bit larger. There we go. That'll work out. That's looking all right. And then we've got the text for our name. We've got the text for what it is, the type of shop. It could be grocery store. It could be ice cream shop. It's up to you what type of store that you'd like. Now, I just need the image. Now, I could go ahead and create a barber pole, but we have the insert image. So you know what? We're going to go ahead and try searching it on Google. Barber pole PNG. Remember, PNG allows you to see or to have no background to it. And hey, there we go. We got a bunch of different barber poles. You know what? I like the colorful one. So how about we do, this one. Let's insert, see what it is. Shrink it down just a little bit and place it right there. Yeah, that's looking all right. Nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. Remember, we need to do our best to combine our text. I'm gonna move the text up just a little bit. Let's move this just a little bit. There we go. Combine the text for our name, the text for our store, and an image that captures what it is. Now, we can draw this out on our own, or we can combine them in different ways. But make sure that your sign starts with a shape to fit it in. Now, there are plenty of different shapes, but we don't want just a sign willy-nilly. This is something that could go up and hang on there. And there's more we could do with it. We could border these. We could think about how it would glow with different neon and stuff, but this works out just fine. Remember, we need the name, your name, last name, first name, the type of store it is, and an image that captures what the store is. And that is what you'll need for your Let's Make a Store Part 1 project. I'm super excited to see what y'all think of and what type of stores you come up with. Do hope you enjoy the rest of your day.